Miss Lidwan Bakari, and I'm going to show you what I did for my final web technologies project. So this is Anilog, uh, uh, an anime collector and tracker for anime lovers and then anime collectors. So basically, this shows or helps anime lovers collect or keep track of animes they are watching, what they've watched, what they've kept on hold, what they've dropped. So in the future, they can go back to them or just show that, oh, you forged this, you forged that, you've done that. So yeah, first of all, I'll show you how the sign up page looks like. So when you click on sign up, it takes you here, so you have the liberty to log in, so you can put in a username of your choice. So let's say Mars, then Mars at gmail.com. Put in your password. You confirm your password, and you register. So you can decide to save or not, and then you can log in as um, Mars. You can either use your username or the email you used when registering, sorry, and then the password for one. So login. That's so as I said, you can decide to save on your web browser or not. So as you can see, it shows the pages um, for Mars. So my collection page. These pages are empty because Mars's account is a new account. The browse page where you can browse and add animes to his list. The profile page where you can see his statistics. So I'm now going to log out and show you how the website looks like on an old account. So let me log in as Sammy. So the reason why this is showing is because I've saved Sammy's username or username and password on my web browser so that Sammy doesn't have to type it every time he needs to log in. So log in. So as you can see, Sammy is an old user. He has been using this website for a while now, and Sammy is so and this is Sammy's page. So we are on the my collection page. So it shows all the animes Sammy has added to his list. So he has added about 9 animes, if I'm correct. Yeah, and then as you can see, he's watching one. He has completed 2. And he plans to watch 3. And his average rating across all the animes he has rated is 9.2. So there's this little search button over here which helps you find animes. That is, if you have a lot on your collection, you don't want to scroll all the way down to look for your anime. So this one, let's take it as you're looking for Jujutsu Kaisen. So that type J pops up, then makes it easy for everyone. So then you can close it when you're done. So as you can see, as I said, it shows um all the animes in his collection. So with this one, let's there's a view details button which allows him to rate and leave reviews of the animes and show whether he's kept on hold, he's still watching an anime or whatnot. So let's view. As you can see, it describes Demon Slayer, and then it shows that he has added to his plan to watch. He shows the genre and the studio which made the anime. So as you can see, when you click this plan to watch, you can either choose watching completed, on hold, dropped, plan to watch, and you can current show the current episode you're on. So let's say episode 23 and it's updated successfully. But now this here is the case where Sammy has finished watching Demon Slayer, so Sammy would put it on completed. So when you click on completed, it automatically updates the current episode to the total episodes in which the anime has. So then it shows the rate. He can leave a rating. So let's say he rates it 9.0. He rates it at 9.0. Yeah. And then he continues with whatever he's doing. So let's say this is his review, so maybe he wants to say something. It's optional though, because you can save without revealing, but maybe he leaves a comment that um, this was so peak. He saves changes. So then he saves the year, and the other anime users can also see it. So we go back, and then as you can see on his collection page, you can see that he can see individually what anime he's watching, what anime he's completed, what anime he plans to watch, what anime is on hold, what anime he has dropped. Yeah. So let's go to the browse page. So in the browse page, as you can see, he can add animes to his list. Yeah. So let's add One Punch Man and Tokyo Ghoul to his list to see if it will update his collection. So as you can see, One Piece and Tokyo Ghoul are now in his collection. So let's go to the browsing page back. And then also in the browsing page, when you click on the view details for in the browsing page, sorry, it takes you to so let's see what happens. So it takes you to the browsing page, but in this case, you cannot edit or do anything. The only thing you can do is interact with the reviews people left behind. So yeah, so as you can see, the community reviews. Little boy left a comment code. Sammy also replied, Little boy. So as you can see, Little boy is also an old user who has been using the website for a while. So Sammy says to code, and then Little boy replies, you know best. So Sammy has the liberty to delete his reply and also reply to which of the comments or reviews he wants to. And as you can see, Sammy also left a review. And that is, so yeah, that's what you can do in the browser page. So then you come to the profile page. As you can see, it shows Sammy's name, his statistics, his watch one completed, 32 on hold, one dropped. He's watched 222 episodes in total ever since he started using the website. He had an average rating of 9.1 total. It shows top genres. So his top genres are action, supernatural, sci-fi, fantasy, comedy, sorry. And there's recent activities. So this shows the animes he added to his list recently, and then the animes he has touched. So let's say he completed Demon Slayer, so he added to the fact that he completed Demon Slayer. Yeah, that's basically it. And also, when you go to my anime collection page, he has the liberty to add a profile picture, so he can choose a file which has a maximum. It should be a maximum size of 10 megabytes, and then he can choose a file. So it should be in a form, it should be a JPEG, PNG, or GIF. So choose file, choose. That is if he wants to change his profile picture. So yeah, basically. So now let's log out and log in as the admin. So now login as the admin. So the admin again, admin 2025 log. So as you can see, the admin's browser page is different. So with the admin's browser page, he is able to just edit and or delete animes from the website. So the edits, he's allowed to change the anime title, the description. He's able to edit release, season, orders, the genres, and then yeah, basically. So with this side, the images you see in the website, the admin copies the address of a photo, so a photo of the anime he wants, and then puts it inside here. And then when he updates the anime, it shows on the website with a picture. And then there's the add anime side where he can add the anime's description, and then that is if he's adding a new anime. And then as I explained what this side is for. So user stats. For the admin's user stats, he sees the total users for each of the animes, the average ratings for the animes, the number of people watching the anime at the time, completed, plan to watch, on hold, dropped. So as you can see, yeah. So that is basically it for the admin page. And this is how AniLog works for both the admin and the average anime level user. Thank you.